Good morning, everyone. I'm back, and it is, still morning. I took a long break, and I watched a lot of YouTube. I might show you the stuff that really impressed me a little bit later, if I can find it again, that is. Nah, I can. An interesting bit is that Gerda Lipsky, I've showed a couple of techniques that she does. She has a Facebook group, so if you want to join, it's called Gerda Lipsky's Students. Yes. So it's kind of interesting to see. Now, what I'm doing here, guys, is because I want to show you that if you make a mistake and you get a lot of silicone in your background color, like maybe you made a little mistake and added it there, and you get all these ugly little things on your canvas, I want to show you that you can just really fix it. It is a shame. It's a waste of time, of course, because if you don't add it, you don't have this problem. But sometimes people make mistakes and put it in the background color, and then you get all these dots and little circles on your canvas, which you don't like. And I'm just showing you that it's very easily taken care of. So, a little hair in here. You don't want hairs. Why can't I get... it was stuck in the paint. I think it's my hair. So what I'm doing is just giving it the first base of paint. You won't be able to get this cleared off with just one or two bases of paint. That doesn't work. So you'll have to do a couple. And the thing is that when you paint over something, like here, you can just rub it off and it'll be okay. So that's what I was doing. Now, on the in Europe, we have a really big art store. That's where I buy my mats. People ask me about that all the time. Where do you buy your mats? But if you're living in America or Australia, that won't be much help because they don't send it that far. They do send it to Europe. But yesterday I got a scare. I'm pretty old school, so all my bills that come in, I pay them right away. Even with my little web shop thingy, if I get a bill, I will pay it. And some people call me crazy because you can wait 2 weeks before you pay anything, but I'm just thinking, why? You have to pay anyway. So why just don't do it straight away? That way you don't forget it. And I do nothing on, paying stuff, after a while or something like that. I don't do that. So everything I buy, I pay for, and that's it. Now, yesterday, I get an email from the big art store that I buy a lot of stuff with. They asked me to pay something like $2,100 immediately because they said I didn't pay my bills. That really, I know it isn't true, but when you get something like that, you just, you're thinking, what are you talking about? That much money? And then I looked at the bills they put with that email, and it was from orders I had from 2017, so that's 2 years ago. And I'm thinking, what are you talking about? I pay everything up front. I pay it before you even send it. And so I went online to check out, what was going on, and I saw a lot of people talking about it. So what they had done was they had some sort of a new billing system, and they were just trying stuff out. And they sent, I think to all their customers, they sent an email saying you have to pay your bills. Because there's a Dutch acrylic pouring group, and I put it on there, and within 5 minutes I had 3 or 4 people say, oh yeah, I got one of those too. So that's pretty, I don't know. I don't think they handled it correctly though, because some people had already gotten a email saying that it was a mistake from the billing department. But I'm thinking, if you know you make such a big mistake, then put it on your website. Oops, don't want that in there. Just put it on your website and say, guys, we know we messed up and this is what happened. But no. When I put it on their Facebook group, I said, maybe you should pay a little bit of attention to the people in billing because they needed a little bit of help. Just being sarcastic. So then they said just private message us and we will give you an explanation. I said just put it on here because a lot of people are affected by this. So, but they didn't. I would do that with my web shop. I mess up. No, well, not me. My husband does. Because he packs all the packages and sometimes he puts in the wrong stuff. But it's bound to happen. It doesn't happen that often, once in the month, maybe once in 8 weeks. There's something that he puts in that, I don't know. I think it's a senior moment, something we call senior moment. So, but then I let the people keep what they got, with the wrong item. I let them just keep it and send them the right thing straight away. So I don't know why, big companies don't own up to their mistakes. There we go. Now, that's looking okay. This is the first layer, and I'm gonna let this dry. Then next up, I'm going to be doing. I'll show you. I have this really nice black. It was black, but this is going to be put in the frame anyway. So this is the back side of the thingamajiggy I'm going to make. I'll just put it down here. And then I have mats that fit it totally. See that? So I'm going to make something here and then I'm going to glue this mat on top of it. And that's pretty big. It's 12 inches by 12 inches. And this is what I'm going to be doing in the next video. I'm going to make 2. And they should match together so that... I'm thinking. They're going to be matched together, so I might just pour it in one continuous thing. And I'm not sure though if I'm going to pour, or if I'm going to do something with a balloon or with a piece of paper on it. I'm just not sure yet. But I want it to be something really interesting, and then I'm really going to put it on Etsy. Well, that is if it's interesting. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the intro into the weekend. I'm going to clean this table up a little bit, and I will be right back with you. So, thanks for watching. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. Bye-bye.